Burnout. We've all felt it. The overwhelming exhaustion, the creeping sense of failure, the nagging voice that says, you can't go on. But let me tell you this, burnout isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of something powerful. Burnout doesn't happen because you are weak. It happens because you care. You poured your heart in your work, your dreams, your responsibilities, and somewhere along the way, you forgot one crucial thing. You. Burnout is your body and mind waving a red flag, telling you to pause. What if burnout isn't the enemy? What if it is a sign? A challenge to rethink the way you live, work, and dream. Because every time you hit rock bottom, you are given the choice. Stay there or rise stronger. It starts with a rest. Rest isn't laziness. It's a superpower. It's in the quiet moments that you hear the voice that you have silenced for too long. The voice that says, you're enough. Here's how to fight back against burnout. Step 1. Pause to reflect. Ask yourself, what's draining your energy? What sparks your joy? Write it down and make it real. Step 2. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to what doesn't serve you. Your time is precious. Step 3. Reconnect with purpose. Why did you start in the first place? Let your passion reignite the fire within. Step 4. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not weigh you down. Burnout doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're evolving. Your journey doesn't end here. It is time to rise, to reclaim your spark, and to create a life you're proud of. Because burnout isn't your breaking point. It is your breakthrough. You are not alone, and you are not defeated. Take a deep breath. Take that first step. The best is yet to come.